type. Now we are going to see second type. Type 2, referring to reason. Here in complex, like first type, although, even though we saw that, like that the same only for complex, for reason type, as, or, since, or, because. Then subject plus verb plus main class. When writing compound sentence, here write down subject verb at first, then conjunction word, coordinating conjunction, and so, or, and, then main class. And so for reason we use. So for that conjunction word and so. Simple sentence on account of, or because of, or owing to, or due to, or thanks to. Anyone we can select plus ing form or noun form plus main class. So these things if you keep in your mind, we can write the answers easily. That is first type like that. Second type also we have to follow the same procedure only if we keep these keywords in our mind. So again I repeat once again, for complex, as, or, since, or, because, subject verb main class. For compound, subject verb conjunction word and so, or, and, main class. Then in simple, on account of, or because of, or owing to, or due to, or thanks to, plus ing form or noun form. In this type, thanks to rare use only. In the printed question, suppose thanks to given means you have to identify the sentence is in simple and also that belongs to second type. That is the recent type. Now come to example. See first one, as he was honest, he got the job easily. Here on reading this sentence we can understand. That is the sentence belongs to recent type. As he was honest. What is the reason? Honesty. As he was honest, he got the job easily. So this is main class. He got the job easily, main class. This one, as he was honest, subordinate class. So here what is the subordinating conjunction? As. So the as present means what sentence this one? Complex. That I have written CX. Next one, compound, very easy. Just remove this word as, then we will get two sentences. In between two sentences, we have to write with connective word and so, then we will get compound sentence. As here see this, he was honest and so he got the job easily. Now also you should note down one thing, in complex and the simple sentences, after writing this put comma. Here for compound no need, because two sentences are connected by conjunction word and so. Next one, simple sentence on account of. And first type, although type we use in spite of. Here on account of. Then after same procedure only he. Then into possessive noun his. Then write down honest adjective word noun form honesty. Then write down main class assets. He got the job easily. This is simple. On account of his honesty, he got the job easily. Simple. Once again I repeat. In complex, as he was honest, he got the job easily. It is in complex. For compound, remove this word as. Then you will get two sentences. Write down connective word. Then we will get compound sentence. He was honest and so he got the job easily. For simple, on account of his honesty, he got the job easily. And also we can write ing form. Then I will explain later. Dear students, we saw this type already. We saw that on account of his honesty, he got the job easily. We saw that. One more how we can write, that is with ing form. Write down as type on account of. For simple sentence, on account of he, possessive noun his. Then instead of be form, was be form. So write down here being. If we write ing form being means we have to write this adjective word as such. Don't change into honesty. So here adjective word honest, he got the job easily. That is a main class, write down. So here on account of his being honest, he got the job easily. Or we can write on account of his honesty, he got the job easily. Then one more we can write for this type alone, reason type, being. If you start with being, that refers to as type. Being honest, he got the job easily. This is also simple sentence. And also keep it in your mind, don't write being honesty. That is in the same sentence, don't write with ing form and noun form. Always keep it in your mind. being honest, he got the job easily. This is also simple sentence. Next one, let's see another example. Priya was ill and the doctor gave her an injection. So what sentence this one? See here, and. If and given means, because for further many types and that will be given as conjunction word. So simple we got, that is we get confusion. What type it belongs to? For that, read the sentence and find out meaning. Priya was ill and the doctor gave her an injection. Reason. For the illness, the doctor gave an injection. So we have to find out on reading the sentence what this sentence belongs to, what type. So here this one and compound. Already I mentioned for compound and so or and. That is why writing, if you write answer means we can use and so. In printed format they give, they have given and means. On reading this sentence, understand the meaning, then afterwards we have to come. That is the conclusion. This type, the sentence belongs to this type like that. So in writing complex sentence very easy. Just we have to remove this conjunction word and then we will get two sentences. Priya was ill, the doctor gave her an injection. Before that, if you use subordinating conjunction, we will get complex. As Priya was ill, the doctor gave her an injection. This is complex. Then now change it in simple sentence. Here see the subject, here Priya, here the doctor. Subjects are different. So for this simply we can write down first name Priya instead of be form is, am or was there. Instead of we have to write being, then afterwards ill, adjective word, then write down main class assets. Priya being ill, the doctor gave her an injection. Or we can write on account of. Here Priya girl, so write down possessive noun her. On account of her ill noun form illness. On account of her illness or ill health you can write. Ill health or illness, both are noun form for ill. On account of her illness, the doctor gave. Suppose if you write the doctor gave her an injection means here the Priya we never mentioned in this line. So for that here her refers to whom? Priya. So bring this name here instead of her write down Priya. So on account of her illness, the doctor gave Priya an injection. This is simple sentence. We can see another example. Let's see with another example. Owing to his disobedience, the teacher punished him. Here owing to, that is the keyword for simple sentence. Now we have to change it in complex. For complex, we have to write first as. Then see here, we have to remove this word owing to. His possessive noun, write down subject he. As he. Then here this one disobedience noun form. We have to find out adjective word disobedient. If you write here subject already we have written he disobedient. That is subject. Here adjective means we have to write verb in between. So for that, to find out verb, come to main class. The teacher punished him. Here we have to find out verb, which is verb punished. After finding, we have to find out what tense this one. Punished what tense? Past tense. So here main class past tense means here also we have to write with past form. If we convert this noun form into adjective means we have to write here with be form. Past tense means was or were. For he, third person singular, we have to select was. So as he was disobedient, the teacher punished him. This is complex. Then compound very easy. We have to remove as. Then in between two sentences, write down conjunction word and so. He was disobedient and so the teacher punished him. This is compound. You understand? Let's see another example. As it rained heavily, the match was called off. Called off is phrasal verb meaning cancelled. So we have to change it with compound. Very easy as usual. We have to remove this word. It rained heavily and so the match was called off. Now we have to write with simple sentence. Write on account of. Already we saw rain heavily. That is verb here. That means we have to write the noun form is heavy rain. Don't write heavy rained. Heavy rain only. So on account of heavy rain, the match was called off. That is a simple sentence. I explain once again. As it rained heavily, the match was called off. Complex compound, it rained heavily, and so the match was called off. Simple, on account of heavy rain, the match was called off. This is simple sentence. Thank you all.